Dom is here.
This guy put me in a trap.
Yes, sir. Yo, I'm so happy that you was able to come today.
R.I.P. to Kitty though.
Because, yeah, Kitty gotta go. I was low-key bad doing this without you, but I had to seize the opportunity of learning how to do this. So now, we gotta figure out what you wanna do. And I think that's gonna be...
I'm not trying to strip that screw. I'm definitely gonna need the impact.
Well, that's number one. I think that's gonna be the hardest part, figuring out what your color scheme is gonna be.
I mean, I think I'm gonna do primer gray, like a Nardo gray. And then, I think from there it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna keep the company colors, purple, black, white. I think I'm gonna put the logo here.
Logo there.
I'm gonna do the Statue of Liberty head over here. And then this is where...
Wait, that's your front?
Yeah, this is my front.
That's your front, then what are you gonna do back here?
I don't know what I'm gonna do back here. This is the one in question.
That was me. And with me over here, yeah guys,
What I'm gonna do,
I took this off. We're going bigger on that.
I don't want to do the stars like this. I'm gonna go to CVS. I'm gonna buy a toothbrush, and I'm gonna take the purple
paint
and
and
stuff, and I'm gonna splatter it on top of the gray.
Yeah.
So at least it'll be more diverse on that end.
Yeah.
I might f around and do the Dawn on the back if I don't have an idea of the Dawn soap stuff. Just
on like the bottom of the board?
No, just like the back
Oh.
part of it. But I don't know. I don't really like it at the same time. So
after watching the videos, it kind of threw me off. But
I just gotta think of something for here.
I literally have my icon on the back.
And I could just put the word here.
Or you could do, yeah, like me. Put the word there and put your symbol.
And then I put this.
We could be matching, buddy.
Pretty much. What is this? Actually got adhesive on it? From what?
Yeah, seems bro.
Yeah. I mean, it's crazy because it's only been used 3 times.
Damn, your ass.
Let's not talk. My man be promoting luxury Starlight on the floor like this.
Yo, I'm learning, all right? I only went 2 times so far. And then he actually gave us a really great idea. Well, he didn't give us an idea. He said, because I was worried about it scratching a little bit, he said just PPF it.
Yeah,
so
that's what we're gonna do.
That's what we're gonna do. He's the rap guy, duh. We're gonna PPF everything we can.
Why not? Another thing that I'm gonna do, because I just realized that after I paint it, I ain't gonna be able to see shit. I'm gonna put a piece of tape on the front of what I usually use as the front of the board underneath.
Underneath.
So I know which direction. Time to get active, son. We're gonna see how this works right now. Gotta get this shit.
This is pretty bad.
I don't wanna like make them like that, but I guess that's gonna be a part of it. And I'm not really too upset with that. I might do more of like a
I thought you was just gonna put on your fingers and
Does that work?
splat, yeah. And then just, yeah. Isn't that like decent size?
So like, I completely eliminated the point of that shit.
How hard are you?
Kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. I like that one.
That was a good one. That was a good
How
one.
I do that? How'd I do that?
I don't know how that just happened.
Oh, I think it's getting stuck on my fingernail now that I'm through the glove.
That's nasty.
Let's see if this one works. Makes it look like I got
You put the medium on, bro. What is that?
Shit hurts. Alright, well, I'm gonna use my brain, edumacation. And then we're gonna go like this. That was stupid. There's a whole outline of the shit.
After you take it off, right? Yeah, that's why I was like, honestly, you can just throw it right back on there.
Garbage.
That worked.
So what's your plan here?
So maybe this isn't the right type of cloth for this. So my plan is we got some glitter here somewhere. So we went to Michael's. We got the extra fine glitter.
Snow.
Yeah, snow, AKA snow. So we definitely, I don't want the board to be just flat looking. So my idea is, I'm gonna clean it up. I have to promote the decals anyway, just so that the...
Don't promote the decals, because then the glitter gonna go on it.
Well, no, I'm not gonna promote the decal. No, I have to promote the decals in order for the
paint to stick to it?
The clear to stick.
Yeah?
That's what he was saying. Is he's like, yo, we're gonna have to scratch them up. And I'm like, I don't know about scratching them up. And he's like, yo, like you need that for the clear to stick good. So I'm like, I don't know about that. I'm like, I can promote it. He's like, yeah, that'll work. So he said I should promote these or scratch them up. So there's no issue with the clear there.
He also made this guy bigger.
Yes, we definitely did do that.
Made this guy bigger. And
I like it a lot better.
Did you put the new stars on it, or you decided not to add more?
So here's my thing. I kind of already put some of the yellows on there. I didn't put the new stars. And I don't think I want the glitter. Should the glitter be on the yellow stars, you think, or no? Does it matter? Does it not matter?
I say no, but like...
If it gets on there, it's okay.
Yeah, if it kind of gets on there, it's okay.
That's why I left them off.
Definitely just not on the black.
No. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of just promote the board, throw some glitter on it, and block off all my words and stuff. So you did it the right way. I kind of thought about the glitter after, so now I have to kind of work around stuff, but it would have been cool if I like did it like you and then just do the stickers on.
There's a little mock-up here. Little size of what this is going to be. We're gonna have this on this side, missing one letter, and then over here we're gonna have the Statue of Liberty head, and then company name in the middle. Yeah, I think you should be good.
This is this is freaking awkward.
Rub your stomach and pat your head at the same time, son. I don't know if the camera's picking that shit up.
I do see a little bit of the shimmer though.
I definitely see the shimmer in person. It's like this man's white and scared of you seasoning.
That's crazy. Say one thing, the board is definitely sticky now.
I don't know if the camera can see this, but it's definitely glittery. The man's just salting his snowboard.
Seasoning, baby. I honestly think it's working. The clear is either gonna like boost this like hella, or
not make that big of a difference.
Not, yeah, like you're not gonna be able to tell at all. Definitely making a little bit of a mess, but
you know what Bob Ross says?
That's the guy with the paintbrush.
Yeah. You know what he says?
What?
It's called happy accidents.
That was really bad.
1, 2, 3.
I'm nervous, bro. Yo, where is my guy from yesterday? But you said you were good at clearing, so if you want, like...
If you want me to do it, I'll do it. I don't care. I don't give a shit. I don't care. It's up to you.
I just want the first one to be super, like...
It's got to be dusted. Sure. It's got to be dusted. The first coat cannot be a heavy coat at all.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Okay.
Oh my God. Your turn. You might as well just slap them on. Did you measure anything yet?
Hell no. The only thing I really care to like measure, I think really like without being able to eyeball, is the middle. This is wider here than it is here.
Yeah, you can't really measure too much. You can't really measure
it. And I think this, I don't think I want to do it just straight. I think I might want to throw Shorty on a little bit of an angle.
Yeah.
I don't know. I just don't want to go too close this way.
No.
It's like obviously that's going to make it easier to go straight.
If you ever do want to like cock this, then you're going to be weird. So I would say like probably around there.
Something like that. I'm definitely going to do that first.
You need a squeegee or?
I got one.
Duh, you're the rap guy.
I took your squeegee.
Oh, that's crazy.
That's on there. So
back to this, man. So I've been trying to I've been trying to hide this from y'all because I'm really not happy. Like, I'm really not happy. So this little glitter thing, it looks like salt. It looks like somebody dropped the salt on my board before we cleared it.
My man did use a salt shaker to put this.
Yo, like, no. I feel like it's not even coming up, but like, it really looks like there's salt on my board. And it didn't give me the effect at all that I was going for. I'm just hoping with like 17 coats of clear, it's gonna look better. But right now, hold on, no, there's no, there we go. It looks like salt, man. It's not looking right. I wanted a little bit of a shimmer when the light hits it.
Where your decals are, where the black decals are,
Yeah.
look phenomenal.
Yeah, no,
Like
this is starting to get that sheen. It's looking good. I'm salty because my board looks salty, bro.
And we just need more clear.
You gotta fix this,
More
bro.
clear.
You legit have to fix this. You told me to go get the stuff, bro.
That's not true.
You told me,
Not
yo, it would be cool if it wasn't so
I
flat.
know somewhere in these videos, and I'm sure he won't put it into the final video, that I did not say go get glitter.
You said go get glitter.
I did not.
And you said you might have done glitter too. You did say that. I got security cameras.
That I would have said,
And
but
you
I
would've
never
been-
said go get the glitter.
You said,
I said, are you going to get
Nah, you
the
said
glitter?
go get.
'Cause
You
said-
was going to the bathroom and you dead ass was like, bro, go get the glitter.
I'm not the one who brought up the point of putting
I
glitter on
swear,
this shit.
bro. Nah, this looks
Come on, X Games,
different, bro.
With the white bindings and the white boots and shit, this shit gonna be fun.
Fire. Damn, son.
And then we're gonna PPF them when this is cured for like 2 weeks.
Yeah, I don't know if we said that yet.
I don't know
but
either, but I might do
Smartest
stuff.
idea. We gonna see if we like the gloss or the stealth because he thinks he wants to just keep it stealthy.
I like it matte. I don't know.
Yeah, so we're gonna see.
My goal as a PPF person is to stealth the world. Like any car that comes to me, I'm gonna try to push stealth. But I feel like when I do gloss, it doesn't make the car look any different. So,
You might be the only person on the mountain with a stealth PPF board.
which would be dope.
Which actually nobody. I don't even think people PPF their
I
boards.
don't even think people really customize their boards either. Like for the most part.
Let's
Like,
make it a thing.
yeah, maybe if we were in like Colorado or something, you might see it, but definitely not over here.
But a board's
I've
not-
never seen somebody. I haven't gone snowboarding. I don't go snowboarding every day of my life. I don't go every single winter, but
Yeah.
I've never seen somebody with a custom board.
I mean, I've been going for some time now, and I can confidently say I haven't either. We are almost done, and I'm really excited for just the outcome, and I just want to see it finished. This looks crazy, bro. I don't even want to go over there, bro. I really don't want to go over there.
Okay, so am I gonna say that it looks perfect? No, but his snowboard does not look as bad as he's making it seem. He's just upset.
It does. In person, it looks way different than what you're able to see on camera, but
Well, if somebody can say that shop lighting inside, board flat, almost at eye level, is going to look completely different than boots on the snowboard on the mountain. It's gonna
no,
look
of
completely
course.
different.
No, I get that. I get that. But I just...
Nobody's gonna be looking at it.
I'm looking at it, and I did it. That's my problem. When I do something, it needs to be perfect. Even if we don't know what we're doing and we're messing up and trying stuff, I'm never trying this again. But we did the extra fine. Yeah, I would do another snowboard in a heartbeat. But the extra fine glitter, it's not even like, I should have went with the extra fine. Like, this is the finest
Finest it gets.
that they come. So I'm perplexed.
That's a big word.
I had a comeback, but it got stuck. Yo, it's a little foggy in here, bro. Where's your mask? This is crazy. Yeah, it's cold, but we need some ventilation. We got a free shop today, which is wild over there. All right, Dom. So what did you learn? Because I just skipped a whole bunch of stuff that I was supposed to be showing them, but
I learned that not always seasoning your food is good.
that's coming from the blackest white man I know. That hurts.
Basically, the glitter. One, it's not serving the purpose that it was supposed to serve. It's not really glittering. It's just there. And it just left too many high spots to where when you put the clear on, it didn't level. And it kind of looks splotchy when you look at it from an angle. I think once it's all dry and like you're actually looking at it when it's on the mountain and you're like looking down at your board, you're never gonna notice it. But shop lighting, looking at an angle when it's kind of like eye level.
Yeah.
It's
You definitely see too much. What I've learned from this experience is, number one, anytime you try something new, it's usually not gonna go 100% the first time around. And that's when you learn. So for me, this just makes me want to do one, like a second one, like ASAP.
Another thing, when we paint calipers, this is the clear coat we use, and it's an amazing clear coat. I use it all the time. We've never done white calipers before because nobody puts their brakes in white.
True.
Noticing that even on the white vinyl, and his whole board is pretty much white, it makes it milky, it makes it cream. It doesn't make it white anymore.
So
Probably can't really tell too much in camera, but
not too much, but it did give it a little bit of a beigeish hue, which is not what we were expecting.
but you know, it's a learning experience, and we tried on our own stuff first, so
Yeah.
now we know what to do next time.
And the next time I do this, I know exactly what to do, because look at this. Yo, if I literally did not do my little seasoning little thing or whatever, yo, I would have been lit. Right there where the name is, I obviously didn't do that. And it looks pretty damn good until you start drifting over that way. But we're just gonna stay right here, and to me, if the whole board was like that, it would have been really, really good. During the off season, I do wanna hang this up. And we're not hanging this anymore.
I'm gonna be completely honest, I don't even want to use my snowboard anymore. I
Yeah,
kind of
nah.
just want to hang it.
Because this is definitely my favorite. I know I showed it a million times.
I'm
You see
proud
how
of
many.
it. I'm proud of it.
You
And,
should
like,
be.
I'm not working on a car, so it was like kind of fun to do this, and I'm not doing something that I do every day. I'm happy. I'm happy.
I think all in all, we just did this because we wanted to have fun. We wanted to be able to represent our brands and just do some dope shit. You know what I mean? Like just do something different. We work on cars every day, all day. So for me, even though I'm not super happy, I'm still happy. You know what I mean? So the next one, I definitely won't be doing that again, and I'll be good. So it's day 3, and it was all Alex's fault. I found out Alex lied to me and gave me the wrong advice.
What did I possibly do?
You told me the glitter was gonna be a fire idea. He said, yo, I don't want it to be so plain. So now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna do it right, damn it. So we're just sanding this thing down. I am over it. I let it sit overnight and I was not happy. And yeah, I got the sander out. I'm gonna sand this thing down. And I just believe if you're gonna do something, do it right. And if you can't do it right, do it again. That was actually kind of fire, yo. I just made that up now. And especially because Dom came in late to the race. He already put the bindings on it. Yeah, he's cheating. And I can't be out here, I just can't be out here looking crazy with the brand. Huh? He don't have a snowboard, bro. What bring your snowboard in? I've been trying to get this guy to snowboard. He went one time, he hurt his low bum, and I never went again.
I almost died.
We all almost die when we start. It's okay. But yeah, if I'm gonna do it, I'm just gonna get it right. So I'm not gonna show you guys any of the process. Just know I'm gonna kill it. So this is it, done.